What are some tips for someone that want to start rapping?
If you want to start rapping, find a good quality studio. You know what I mean? That's one, because the studio matters. You know what I mean? Like, or you can learn it yourself. Go get an inbox, go get a mic and some monitors and a computer, and you can learn it yourself and mix your own stuff. You know what I mean? Definitely try to get next to a video man. Try to get a video man that you can put under the wing, that you fuck with. You know what I mean? Try to get somebody locked in with you so you can always have videos and always have a visual. And travel and put your music everywhere, man. That's one thing I always like wanted to do, like put my shit everywhere, because I ain't want to just be like just known in one place. If I can't get on through a label, I'm gonna need to be or somebody helping me. I'm gonna need to spread my own wings. So you just gotta spread your name everywhere. Do showcases. You know what I mean? Do showcases. Drop music. Try to drop something. It should be hard, but try to drop something every week if you could. If you got the time and you got the motivation to drop something every week, drop something every week, man. I think that should get anybody an automatic buzz if they dropping some fire. Drop some fire every week, or drop a song one week, drop the video the next week, song one week, video the next week. I think anybody could get lit by doing that. You know what I mean? Keeping it consistent. You know what I mean? That's my plan. So I'm getting my shit ready right now. I'm about to attack and do the same. You know what I mean? I'm about to use that method right there. Like, I feel like that, and play the clubs. You know what I'm saying? Play the clubs. Try to get these DJs to play a song for the night. Strip clubs. You know what I mean? Go to the strip club, get a couple ones, get the DJ to play a song, and tell the strippers, yo, I'm not throwing none of this money until my shit playing. Like, you know what I'm saying? And they fuck around and start going to tell the DJ, yo, go play the song so he can play them. You know what I mean? Like, it's just a gimmick. It's like, you know what I mean? You gotta have this shit. Because the females is the one with the followers. You get them posting your shit. That's how you get lit. These chicks in the club got 1 million followers, 100,000 of followers. So you get them to fuck with you, post your shit. Niggas start looking at you. Who this? Like, you know what I mean? It's a situation. You know what I mean? It's a chain reaction. Everything got a chain reaction to it, though. You know what I mean? And definitely get a TuneCore. If you don't know what TuneCore is, look it up on Google. Go to TuneCore. You know what I mean? They'll get all the money from all the sites. They'll put your shit on all the major platforms and all of that. This is shit niggas is not really telling people. You know what I mean? Get a TuneCore or CD Baby. You know what I mean? And anywhere your shit plays at, you get somebody to play. You get somebody with thousands of views on YouTube to play your song in a video, and nigga, the TuneCore is gonna go grab that money for you and put that to you. Like, anywhere your shit get heard, it grabs it. You know what I mean? Nobody can't steal your music. You know what I mean? That's how you solidify yourself. Get a tax ID number for your songs and shit like that, and dropping your music officially without a label. If you got enough clout in the street, you can make it. You know what I mean? Niggas is getting paid over it. You know what I mean? So that's just some tips and advice for some people that's trying to, you know what I mean, start their rap career and shit like that. Cause now it's different. I grew up in an era where now it's different. It ain't the digital shit. You gotta press up mixtapes. You know what I mean? You gotta press up CDs, you gotta press up mixtapes. Going to the shows still, but now you got CDs and shit like that. Now everybody using USB flash drives and shit like that. So like back in the days, it was mixtapes. Now it's like digital. Drop your shit online, pay for promotion, get your shit out there. Like, you know what I mean? But you gotta move with the wave, you know what I mean? Word. That's it.